In December 2025, allegations emerged claiming large-scale fraud in Minnesota's taxpayer-funded childcare system. Here are the facts. Somali-run daycare centers in Minneapolis were allegedly billing the Minnesota Child Care Assistance Program for services not provided, charging the state for children who weren't there. Nickshirley, a 23-year-old content creator, visited approximately 10 registered daycare facilities in mid-December 2025. His video showed empty buildings during business hours, locked doors with no staff present, no children visible at multiple locations, facilities registered to receive state funding. The video was posted December 26, 2025, and received over 116 million views across platforms. To understand the alleged fraud, you need to understand the system. Minnesota Child Care Assistance Program, CCAP. State-funded program helping low-income families pay for child care providers, register with the state and bill for services rendered. Payments go directly from state to provider. Providers must document attendance and services. How fraud could occur. Provider registers a daycare facility with the state. Provider submits billing for children enrolled. Provider collects payment from the state, but no actual child care services are provided. Exact dollar amounts allegedly fraudulent have not been publicly disclosed by investigators. The program itself distributes millions annually to legitimate providers statewide. Here's what Nickshirley documented and what happened immediately after. Conducted mid-December 2025, filmed approximately 10 facilities, showed exterior footage of empty buildings, did not enter facilities or speak with administrators, did not provide evidence of false billing records. After the video went viral, the Minnesota government stated they worked with Shirley, used the video to call for state investigations, demanded accountability for taxpayer funds. Governor Tim Walz responded by saying that state officials said their investigations had not found evidence the specific facilities in Shirley's video were committing fraud. Noted that empty buildings during daytime hours don't automatically prove fraud. Could be closed for the day, renovations, or administrative reasons. As of early January 2026, no criminal charges have been filed specifically related to the facilities shown in Shirley's video. Department of Homeland Security increased investigations into fraud related to Minnesota child care programs, expanded scrutiny of child care assistance program. Billing child care assistance programs often involve federal funding passed through state systems. Fraud involving federal money becomes a federal crime, bringing FBI and DHS jurisdiction. The controversy reached the White House. Trump administration froze some federal child care funding to Minnesota. Actions are being taken on pending completion of audits and fraud investigations. State officials objected, stating the freeze penalizes legitimate child care providers and families who rely on the program while investigations are ongoing. The Feeding Our Future case established that large-scale fraud targeting government assistance programs had occurred in Minnesota. This context made the daycare allegations more credible to investigators and the public. Here's where things stand as of early January 2026. Investigations. FBI investigation ongoing. DHS investigation ongoing. No charges filed related to December video facilities. Federal funding to Minnesota. Partially frozen, unresolved questions. How many facilities are under investigation total? What is the estimated dollar amount of alleged fraud? Will criminal charges be filed? When will federal funding be restored? Federal investigators will review billing records, attendance documentation, and financial transactions. If fraud is found, criminal charges under federal wire fraud statutes could follow. If not, facilities may be cleared and funding restored. Allegations have been made. Investigations are underway. No convictions or definitive proof of fraud has been established yet for the specific facilities shown in the viral video. Whether you see it as a journalistic expose or a controversial stunt, Nickshirley's coverage has changed the conversation in Minnesota. The question now isn't just, did fraud happen? But how do we balance accountability with accuracy and fairness?